To read an interactive broker portfolio, start by logging into your account on the Interactive Broker website or mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Portfolio section, where you will see an overview of your account holdings. The portfolio is typically divided into sections, including account information, portfolio balances, and position details. The account information section displays your account number, type, and status, as well as your current balance and available funds. The portfolio balances section shows the total value of your portfolio, including cash and securities. It also displays the daily profit and loss, and the overall return on investment. The position details section lists all the securities you hold, including stocks, options, futures, and forex. For each security, you will see the symbol, description, quantity, market value, and daily profit and loss. To get more detailed information about a specific security, click on the symbol, and you will be taken to a new page with real-time market data, charts, and news. When analyzing your portfolio, pay attention to the overall diversification, risk exposure, and performance. You can use the Portfolio Analytics tool to get a detailed breakdown of your portfolio's sector, allocation, geographic distribution, and risk profile. It is also essential to monitor your portfolio regularly, rebalancing it as needed to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. By following these steps and using the tools and resources provided by Interactive Broker, you can effectively read and manage your portfolio, making informed investment decisions and achieving your financial objectives. Remember to always keep your investment goals and risk tolerance in mind when evaluating your portfolio, and do not hesitate to seek professional advice if you need guidance or support. By taking a proactive and informed approach to portfolio management, you can optimize your investment strategy and work towards achieving long-term financial success.